So hi there, we're here at Atlas Camp, and I'm here with David Benson from JIRA. Hi, David.
How you doing?
Actually, we would like to talk a little bit about the features you've done so far, features coming up next for Draw.io. Can you say something about the things you've done in the past?
Sure. So in both Confluence and JIRA, we've been adding a range of stencils, for example, floor plans, the Archimate modeling set of stencils. We've added features such as layering, the ability to put different shapes on different layers and view different parts of the diagram in that way. We've added a number of small fixes, but also features that users have requested. For example, the ability to drag images and SVGs straight onto the diagram area, and they just be used as is. And a very wide range of bug fixes and feature requests overall.
I really like that feature, actually, the drag and drop feature. You showed me at lunch 10 minutes ago, actually. And I think it's quite unique as a plugin feature.
I think it's quite unique. There's lots of alternative ways to getting your own unique material into the diagram, but the ability to just drag it in and drop it and it works. You know, it's
some time here and there.
It's just quicker. Yeah.
So, what about features coming up next? What are you working on right now with Gordon's? Any new developments?
Well, I mean, there's a few features that are coming out in the near future, one of which will be an automated Glyphy import. Okay. So if you're an existing Glyphy user on Confluence, we will convert all your diagrams, safely store the old diagrams, and you'll be able to run straight away in Draw.io using them without any change, apart from the change in price, obviously. One feature that's been requested a lot is an improved link dialog. For example, the ability to link into other Confluence pages, to other URLs, really quickly and easily. So, you know, you could type in and it would show you what your recently viewed Confluence pages are, the ability to easily grab the URL of a Confluence page and drop it in. And it's much like the idea of dropping images into the diagram. It's just a really quick way of getting Confluence-specific information into the diagram. Another thing we're working on, which is similar to the drag and drop of images, is custom stencil libraries. So a Confluence admin will be able to define custom shapes, custom sets of shapes, and they will appear on the left-hand side for everyone, and the admin can control what custom stencils people see. So rather, if you're dragging the same things again and again, your admin can just say they appear by default and you don't have to do anything.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So I heard also, or we talked about this quite a lot, that you have you would like to be really close to the customer.
Absolutely. And
you have open ears for everything they're requesting or they're asking for. How does it work out? I mean, you have quite some channels that people can contact you, actually?
Absolutely. So, I mean, they can email us, support@draw.io, it's pretty easy to remember. There's Twitter @Draw.io, there's Facebook if you just search for draw.io, same with Google+, basically the social media channels people are used to, just give us a shout. We're not particularly fussed if people submitting things in random places. We'll collate them all together. We use a JIRA instance, draw.io.atlassian.net. And we collate all the information there, so that's the single place where you'll find feature requests, bug reports.
That's really cool. So people can stay in touch and track like the newest development of this feature request.
Yeah. And it's a community licensed JIRA install, so anyone can have a username, so they can track stuff. They can have emails when stuff is fixed and done, and they can submit their own bugs when they're a user too.
I think you should definitely check this out, this feature, and become probably like a member of your community and follow all the newest developments of Draw.io. If you guys want to contact David, you can also, I think, use the classic telephone number, and I think it's all in the marketplace.
If you go to the listing in the marketplace for both Draw.io versions, there's telephone number, there's email address, and you can write a letter to the physical address if you really want.
Okay, sounds good, sounds great. Thanks for the interview with you, David.